Hello family, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. My returning subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you so much. So guys, in today's video we are making curry garlic rice, and this is going to be a very simple recipe. It's so delicious, something I learned and added mine to some years back. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to use cow meat and I am going to steam it, okay? So when you are making this, you make sure that you use or you steam your meat with any spices of choice. And of course, you need to add salt after that. Wow. So the next thing I am going to do is to add my salt, okay, which is very important. After adding my salt, I'm going to add some soy sauce, and this is also very important. I'm going to give it a little stir, and as you can see, you need to do this while your heat is still on, okay? And I'm also going to add a good amount of olive oil, which is also very important. And you want to note that our stock is just going to be the juice that we get from the cow meat, okay? We can use any meat of choice. All right, so look at how it is now so beautifully. And I am going to sieve this, okay, I mean the stock, because we are going to use it to prepare our rice. It is very important as well. So at this point, you want to note that your meat don't have to go totally soft, because it's going to be the base of our rice, okay? Here you can use any oil of choice, but I need that margarine taste. I'm using blue band margarine, okay? So this is my garlic and also some chopped onions. So you need to go for much garlic, okay, because this is a garlic rice. And if you don't like garlic, don't worry, you are not going to smell the garlic in the rice. There is nothing that going to seem garlic over there, all right? Or if you are thinking about how the garlic is going to smell in your rice, sorry, there is not going to be anything like that. All right, so then I need that margarine taste in my meat as well. That's why I'm using it as a base of my rice, okay? So then I'm just going to leave it for about 2 minutes and add my spaghetti. After which I'm going to add some curry, but I missed that part of the video, forgive me. So then if you're trying this at home, you would rather go for much shorter spaghetti than mine, because I'm still going to break it. And another important part of this recipe is you have to leave your rice and your spaghetti, I mean every other ingredient you see here, to steam for about 1 minute 40 seconds before you add any other liquid. All right, so now it's time for us to add our stock, and the next is some water, okay? So guys, if you're still watching me at this time and you are not part of this wonderful family, you want to click on that subscribe button, you want to turn on bell notification, you want to be notified anytime I upload a new video, and don't forget that you have to subscribe, okay? Don't forget. All right, so this is just after I added my salt and left it on heat for about 8 minutes, and on we go. Our rice is just getting there, and it's looking so beautiful, so yummy, and I just love everything I'm seeing right now, okay? So yeah, you just have to be checking this between 5 minutes and all that to make sure that it's on point. Okay, so I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box for you. You can just check it out and try this at home, and you are going to love it. The family is going to love it. This is so delicious, and I learned this actually from a chef that came for my big sister's wedding, and I added my own part to this recipe. And this version of mine, oh my goodness, you want to try it. It really tastes great. It's very yummy, and you are going to love it. All right, guys, so it's time for me to go and enjoy my rice. So I'm coming your way again next time, and I'm going to see you in my next video. And you are well appreciated. My returning subscribers, I love you guys. I really appreciate you so much. And stay safe, be good, keep hydrated, get enough rest when you have the time. Until I come your way again next time, it's time to enjoy my food. It's bye.